Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 28 June 2021. Here, this is the problem. We have to convert this C code to Java code. First, we will crack this C code. Here they have created a 1, 2, 3 variables, which is nothing but n, index, and a string. Inside this, they have get the value for n here, and then they have created a loop which will go for 1 to n times or 1 to n plus 1 times, and they have passed incremented the index with scanf, which will return only 1, though, which is nothing but index plus plus. And then they have printing the string value. Here they have get the input from the given index, which is nothing but for the first iteration they are getting the input from 0th index, and then they are getting from first, then second, then third, like that. So this 0 and first and second will be remain the same. It won't be update, like it will contain the previous inputs or previous inputs first characters. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here, this is the code they have given. I'm just going to run this code. Here I'm passing input 4, and I'm passing 4 inputs: first, second. This second contains the first character of first, and this third contains the first character of first and the second character of second, which is nothing but f is third. Finally, the last. So it just print FST, which is nothing but first character of first, second character of second, third character of third, and the last. So let's make a code for the same logic using Java. First I'm creating a scanner class. Scanner just sc equal to new scanner of system.in. That's in, not int. And then I'm creating a variable n and index. Here I think I don't need the index, and then I'm creating a string variable, string str, and then temp. Here I'm making a loop for int I equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Now all the thing that I need to do is I'm just initializing this temp as a empty string, and then I'm getting the value for string str, and then I'm storing the first character in temp, and then finally I'm printing the value before storing it. Hope that's it. If I run this program, here I'm passing input 4, first, second, this second contain the first letter of first, third, FS third, and the last, FST last. Yeah, that's it guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.